How to update Signal application to its latest version. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using a smartphone and you want to update your Signal app to the latest version, firstly open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, once you're inside the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Signal in the search bar at the top. Now once you make the search, look for the Signal Private Messenger app. Once you open the app info, tap on Update if available. If you see the update button, then it means your latest version is yet to be downloaded. Tap on Update and wait for the download to complete. If you don't see the update button, it will mean you are currently using the updated version already. Once updating the app, tap Open, and then you are back to your updated version of Signal application. So that's how it's done. Keep the app updated and it helps you enjoy the best performance, stronger security, and access to the newest features of the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.